Introduce highlight features and read reviews that most people are talking of. Lechnical Car Wireless Vacuum Cleaner CRXCQ01-01 4000Pa Powerful Suction Wireless Handheld. You can find wanted at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Made from aircraft-used alloy, ensures strong durability and toughness. The duct design ensures duct smoothness and great absorbing pressure. The duct design ensures duct smoothness and great absorbing pressure. 4000Pa large suction, relax to clean dust for your car. 3 power batteries, triple battery life, 1 charge can be used 7 times. Without cords, it can be moved anywhere. At the same time with various cleaning heads, can clean anywhere, such as car seat aperture, car dashboard, air vent, the sofa of the gap in the home, the blind angle, and more. Stainless steel metal filter mesh enable the vacuum cleaner to be durable, rust-free, washable, and quick drying, repeat use. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.